Welcome to our room, our wine cellar.
cellar.
We have our beautiful Gaggenau wine fridges over here.
$120,000 worth, it's amazing.
Custom-made
Frank's
guitars over here.
Oh, look at those fridges.
This is cool.
Oh man,
These fridges are insane.
that
Holy
is
moly.
disgustingly good.
There's a cool feel in here. There's a cool feel.
Yeah, they're done well.
It's fun and it's beautiful.
Yeah.
But where's your wet bath? To make it functional, you need a sink.
We have our Kinsman cabinetry. You can sit down here, have a beautiful wine.
This reminds me of like a cool little indie Nova cinema space, almost where you'd go hang out before you'd go watch a movie.
Is this a Hamptons space? Definitely not. Hamptons are very white, blue, white,
It's just a really beautiful spot, you got the theatre in there, you can come out and hang out here, crack one of these fancy bottles of wine that's fully stocked in the Gaggenau
A real
fridges.
party house, this one. We absolutely love this space down here, so we're very proud of it, yeah.